Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this presentation on the role of artificial intelligence in improving first call resolution. AI is transforming the way call centers operate, not only by enhancing customer experience but also by streamlining operations and strengthening financial performance. From intelligent routing and real-time knowledge suggestions to predictive analytics and self-service automation, AI empowers agents to resolve issues faster and more accurately. In this session, we'll explore a complete breakdown of how AI drives FCR improvement and examine its impact across three critical dimensions: customer experience, operational efficiency, and profitability. The first major application of artificial intelligence in improving first call resolution is AI-powered call routing and intent detection. At its core, this capability relies on natural language processing, or NLP, which analyzes customer speech or text in real time to understand intent instantly. Instead of relying on rigid menus or generic prompts, AI can interpret what the customer really wants and route them accordingly. Once intent is identified, AI uses skill-based and predictive routing to connect the customer with the most qualified agent available, or, in some cases, with the most efficient self-service option. This ensures that customers are directed to the right resolution path without being bounced around between departments. The impact is powerful. Fewer transfers mean higher first call resolution, since queries reach the right person the first time. At the same time, smarter routing reduces call handling delays and alleviates queue congestion, lowering wait times for all customers. In short, AI transforms call routing from a static process into a dynamic, intelligent system, one that improves efficiency, customer satisfaction, and resolution rates simultaneously. The second way artificial intelligence improves first call resolution is through AI Knowledge Assist and agent productivity tools. AI provides real-time suggestions during live interactions, recommending the most relevant solutions, scripts, or troubleshooting steps while the conversation is still in progress. This ensures that agents have the right information at their fingertips, without the need to put customers on hold or search through multiple systems. Additionally, AI powers smart knowledge bases by indexing historical interactions, resolutions, and best practices. Agents can instantly retrieve the most accurate answers, even for uncommon or complex issues. Another advantage is automation of repetitive tasks, such as autofilling forms and handling after-call work. By reducing administrative workload, agents can focus more of their time and energy on customer interactions. The impact is clear: faster and more accurate resolutions, fewer repeat contacts, and lower average handle time, all without compromising on quality. In fact, AI helps agents work more efficiently while preserving the depth and accuracy required to achieve true first call resolution. The third way artificial intelligence drives first call resolution is through self-service and virtual agents. AI-powered chatbots and voice bots are designed to handle routine requests such as FAQs, password resets, or checking order and service statuses. These virtual agents provide instant answers without the need for human intervention, giving customers the ability to solve problems quickly on their own. In addition, AI-enhanced IVR systems take traditional menus to the next level. They can intelligently resolve simple issues within the IVR itself or capture critical customer details before transferring the call. This ensures that when a customer does reach a live agent, the conversation is already contextualized and more efficient. The impact is twofold. First, customers enjoy higher first contact resolution rates, since many of their everyday needs are handled immediately through automation. Second, by deflecting these routine tasks, overall call volume for agents is reduced, allowing them to concentrate on complex, high-priority issues where FCR matters most. In short, AI self-service tools don't replace agents, they complement them, creating a faster, more efficient service experience for both customers and staff. The fourth way artificial intelligence enhances first call resolution is through sentiment analysis and quality monitoring. With AI sentiment detection, customer conversations are analyzed in real time to identify signs of frustration, confusion, or urgency. When these emotional triggers are detected, the system can prompt agents with empathy-driven responses or even alert a supervisor to intervene before the situation escalates. AI also powers call recording and interaction analysis. By reviewing thousands of conversations, it identifies recurring patterns in failed resolutions, such as knowledge gaps, process bottlenecks, or training needs. These insights become invaluable for refining scripts, updating workflows, and coaching agents more effectively. The impact is twofold. First, real-time detection and intervention prevent escalations and reduce the likelihood of customers making multiple calls for the same issue. Second, the continuous feedback loop created by AI analytics drives long-term improvements in FCR by ensuring both agents and processes evolve based on real customer interactions. In short, AI sentiment analysis not only resolves issues faster in the moment but also creates a cycle of continuous improvement that strengthens FCR over time. The fifth way artificial intelligence strengthens first call resolution is through predictive analytics and root cause analysis. Using trend forecasting, AI can detect patterns in repeat calls and highlight failure points within resolution processes. For example, it may uncover that a billing error or a recurring technical glitch is driving a significant percentage of repeat contacts. In addition, AI generates automated root cause reports that pinpoint the most common issues responsible for low FCR rates. These reports give leaders clear, data-driven visibility into where process improvements, additional training, or system fixes are most urgently needed. The impact is substantial. First, by proactively addressing these systemic problems, organizations can prevent repeat calls before they even happen, driving higher FCR and smoother customer experiences. Second, predictive insights support data-driven workforce planning, aligning staffing levels, training priorities, and technology investments with the actual drivers of FCR. In short, predictive analytics shifts call center management from reactive firefighting to proactive problem prevention, ensuring long-term, sustainable improvements in first call resolution. The sixth way artificial intelligence improves first call resolution is through real-time intraday management. AI enables live FCR dashboards that track performance as calls happen. Instead of waiting for end-of-day or weekly reports, supervisors can see exactly how FCR is trending in the moment. On top of that, automated alerts are triggered whenever FCR falls below a defined threshold or when repeat call rates begin to spike. These alerts allow leaders to act immediately, whether it's providing extra support to agents, adjusting routing, or reallocating staff to manage workload. The impact is clear. Real-time visibility ensures immediate operational interventions, preventing small problems from escalating into SLA breaches or drops in customer satisfaction. It also helps maintain compliance with SLAs and KPIs, even during peak call volumes when performance is most at risk. In short, AI-driven intraday management equips leaders with the tools to keep FCR and overall service quality consistently on track. The seventh and final area where artificial intelligence impacts first call resolution is in delivering financial and strategic benefits. First, AI directly reduces operational expenses through lower repeat call costs. With fewer callbacks, telecom charges drop, and labor resources are used more efficiently. Second, higher FCR drives better customer satisfaction and net promoter scores. When issues are resolved the first time, customers feel valued, leading to stronger loyalty and advocacy. Third, the long-term effect is revenue growth. Satisfied customers are more likely to stay longer, purchase more, and are far less likely to churn, which improves customer lifetime value. Finally, AI supports optimized staffing by providing accurate demand forecasting. This prevents both overstaffing and understaffing, keeping costs in balance while ensuring service quality remains high. In short, AI doesn't just improve first call resolution at the operational level, it creates measurable financial savings, builds stronger customer relationships, and drives sustainable business growth. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.